Friends, we are now going to take up the 13th question. And the 13th question relates to the teachings of Jesus. And what are these teachings in contrast to the law, the 10 commandments that were given? So, are we going to be the people who are the followers of 10 commandments, the law, or are we going to be the disciples of Jesus who goes through the way of grace? Now, law and grace are two different things. Law is perfect, law is given by God, and therefore, but law cannot save you. Law can only be a mirror to your life. It can show you what are the sins you have committed. The moment you break the law says it is broken, and therefore a judgment will be there and penalty will be there. That is what God had given to the Jews who demanded the way of life. So God gave them the 10 commandments. It is for the Jews because at that time there were no Christians. So does that mean that we Christians don't have any law or commandments to follow? Yes, we have instructions of Jesus. The instruction of Jesus is very simple. To love your God with all your heart and with all your might and with all your strength, and love your neighbor as yourself. So the whole thing boils down to love, because God is love. In many other religions, God is not love. He is like a slave master, and all his people are slaves and all that. So you will know which religion that is. So our God is a God of love. He is full of love. And He loves us, humanity. That's why He has sent His only Son to die for us. And after His death, the road is open back to us. So therefore, we have to concentrate on this teaching of Jesus. The teaching of Jesus is love God and love your neighbor as yourself. So loving yourself is equally important as you are loving your neighbor. Loving your neighbor means what? First thing is, who is your neighbor? All those who come in contact with you, either directly or indirectly, become your neighbor. Even your enemies become your neighbor. So all those who become your neighbor, you have to love. So therefore, you have to love your enemies also. That is the basic tenet of Christianity, is that of love. Love all. And that is not there in many of the other religions. They say do good things. Good things are there, and hate your enemies, you can kill your enemies. All those are there. But in our religion, it is not like that. You have to love everybody. It's a universal command of Jesus. So we will have to do that. And when we do that, we forgive everybody, all those who have done anything wrong against us. At all times, we are taught to forgive. That is the teaching of Jesus Christ. Even when He was on the cross, He told, Father, forgive them, for they did not know what they are doing. Because human beings do not have that vision that what they are doing wrong, where they are doing wrong, because it is the devil that tempts them. And the devil, by making them commit sin, they hold those people under his grasp, his clutches. And Jesus is the one who can come and take you out of that slavery, take you out of the clutches of the devil, and give you freedom to go back to our home. Therefore, we have to believe in Jesus and we have to follow His instructions. Thank you.